How to delete a TikTok story. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a TikTok story. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you've posted a story to TikTok, you posted by accident, or you no longer want it to appear on your profile, I'm going to show you the few steps you need to take to actually delete that story. So first, open up the TikTok app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Next, find the story that you'd like to delete and tap on it. Once you've opened up that story, tap on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner. Then on the next menu, scroll over all the way to the right and then tap on delete. And then finally, it will ask you if you really want to delete this video, then you tap on delete. And that's what it takes to delete a TikTok story. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.